Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Yes, 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 yes. All right. Papa Peter. Welcome, 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 welcome. We are here to play. Ona Lerona. Good morning. Sawubona. Kunjani? Likai. Now, grade 8 and 9. Grade paper 2 today. Paper 1 will come back to it. Grade 8 and 9. So far, you haven't written yet. You haven't written your paper 1. How are you, Jehovah? Da da da. Analerona already written. Right. Just hold on, guys. I'm preparing something. Many salespeople kill the sale by walking in and saying, "Hello, I'm Casey. Let me tell you about my product and service." That's like going into. Okay. Ba, ba, ba. Right. Grade 8 and 9, paper 2. Thought we are. Right. All right. Thank you for tapping the screen, guys. Thank you. Let's wait for. Just waiting for others for a little bit. All right. Papa. All right. So paper 2, we have geometry. We have also area, perimeter, volume, surface area.
What is it? What is it? Drooping.
All right.
Drooping. You 10 minutes and over 10.
Area, perimeter, volume, surface area.
It doesn't go here. 10 minutes and over 10.
All right. Just hold on a little bit. We'll start. Yeah, starting now. No. All right. Geometry, area, perimeter, volume, surface area. These are paper 2 topics. We have congruency and similarity, right? Congruency, similarity. What else do we have? Grass, transformation, grass. But this side is no longer about gradient and whatnot. We have transformation. So we have rotation, we have translation, we have this is rotation, this is translation, reflection, rotation, translation, reflection, enlargement. Right. This is generally the scope for this paper. Geometry. From geometry, we go to area, perimeter, volume, surface area. From there, congruency, similarity of shapes, 2D shapes. From there, we are running down to what? Transformation. Right. Now, let's I was sending a link to our group. I'm saying most have seen it, so I can't wait any longer. All right. Let's start. Right. Those who want to contact me and join the group, where are you? Right. 074 568 5212. Right. Oh, don't. Let's start with geometry. I want us to start with geometry. Geometry. We want to start with the laws. We want to start with the laws. We want to start with what? With the laws which we use in geometry. Right. Let's say straight line, angles on a straight line. Right. What do we mean here? Angles on a straight line. We are saying that if we have A, B, right? A plus B give us 180. A plus B gives us 180. Because these are what? Angles on a what? On a straight line. Right. From there we have a revolution. We have a revolution, angles add up to what? They add up to 360. They add up to 360 degrees. So what does this mean? Angles adding up to 360. We are saying we have angles like this, or even another one. So it's going to be A, B, C, D, E. They start here, right round, coming back. That's a revolution. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E gives us what? 360. Right? That's what we get. That's what we get. Right. From there, let's go to vertically opposite angles. We are starting from the ground. Opposite angles. Right. So if we are saying vertically opposite angles, what are we saying? We are saying that angles, they are opposite to each other. Vertically opposite works with what? Angle on an intersection. So A, B, C, D. A, to see that these angles are vertically opposite. This angle is vertically opposite to this angle. They are facing each other, right? Being created by the same two lines, right? Thank you for sharing. So A is equal to what? C. That's what we have here. A is equal to C. So if you are given a question and then 40, 30 plus x, and then let's say 4x, and then they say find value of x. Here you are finding what? The value of what? The value of x. Angles, this is a straight line. Angles on a straight line add up to 180. So this means this plus this gives us what? 180. So you're going to say 40 plus 30 plus x plus 4x gives us what? Gives us 180. Which is 70 plus 5x, giving us 180. Subtract 70, subtract 70, right? Left with 5x is equal to 110 divided by 5 divided by 5. X is equal to 24. That is our answer. And here our reason is what? Angles on a straight line equal to 180. That's our reason. Right? Vertically opposite, they do the same also. You are given vertically opposite angles and you are told this is 3x, this is let's say 2x plus 30, like this. So what does this mean? Remember, vertically opposite angles are equal, right? Which means also D is equal to B. So if it is like this, when you come here, you know that these angles are equal. So 3x is equal to 2x plus 30. There is no 180 here or 360. Why? Because we are saying these are vertically opposite angles. All right. From there, what do? Remove the 2x minus 2x minus 2x. Left with x is equal to 30. Right? X is equal to 30. For this one, x is equal to 24. So you are applying the laws which you know already. So the main thing here is to know when and who and when to apply the laws. I hope we are together. I hope we are together there. That's what we are doing. Angles in a straight line, vertically opposite. Right. From here, what do? From here, we are saying that, okay, let's do this law. Opposite interior angles are equal to the what? Exterior angle. Opposite interior angles are equal to the exterior angle. What are we saying? You are given a triangle like this, and you have A, B, and C is not the interior angle, is the exterior angle, this one. So what does this mean? What is the relationship between these three angles? We are saying A plus B is equal to C, the exterior angle. So these two angles are opposite to B and A, like this. Like this. Right? So let's say we are given an example. We are given a question which states that we are given this, right? And this angle is, let's say, 50, and this one is 65. And they say calculate x, right? The fastest way and the easier way, x is the exterior angle, is equal to 65 plus 50. 65 plus 50, 115. That is our what? Our x. Let's take the longer way, the longer route. We first have to calculate this. So we are going to say 180 minus 50 minus 65. Right? So 180 minus 50 minus 65 gives us 65. Which means this angle is what? 65. The moment this is 65, to get this is a straight line. So to get x, we are going to say 180 minus 65 to give us 115. Right? So this is interior angles are equal to the opposite, not just interior. Opposite interior angles are equal. Right? Alright, from there, let's write a exam question. From there, let's exam question. This one, you're given a triangle, right? And the triangle says this is 2x. Here you are given 3x minus 20, right? And then here you are given x plus 70. And the question comes and say, find the value of x. So you have 4x, 3x minus 20, and then outside is x plus 70. This is not the inside angle we are not given, right? Shasha, yes, we will do surface area and volume. Surface area, just after geometry, we are going to do the surface area and volume. We are together. All right. Now we are saying find the value of x. Remember, a plus b is equal to c. Opposite interior angles are equal to the exterior angle. So we are saying that this angle plus this angle is equal to this angle. So we have 2x plus 3x minus 20 is equal to x plus 70, like this. I hope we are together here. All right. From there, we simplify, looking for the value of what? X. Solve, right? This one is 5x minus 20 is equal to x plus 70, right? Remember, we want to remove this guy and we also want to switch, right? Like this. So it's going to be 5x. Remember, this is going to change the sign when it comes this side. Minus x is equal to 20. Negative 20 is going to change the sign when it comes the other side, right? So it's going to be 70 plus 20, right? So 4x is equal to 70 plus 20, 90. Divided by 4, divided by 4. X is equal to 90 divided by 4 gives us 22.5. So that means x on this triangle is what? 22 point what? 22.5. That's our x. I hope we are together there. All right. Now, we have found the value of x. Remember, here we were just asked to find the value of x. The question might continue saying what? Find the value of each angle, right? And then This one is 2x, right? 2x, which means 2 open bracket. You are replacing the x. Right? Thank you for the follow, Fiona. Appreciate big time. 3x minus 20. So it's 3 open bracket minus 20. We're removing the x so that we feed by 22.5. From there, 3x minus 20. So x plus 70, x plus 70 is going to be open bracket plus 70, like this. These are our three angles which we have. So we are going to replace with what? 22.5. To find the value of each of these three angles using our x, right? From there, so it's 22.5 by 2, which is 45. Here, 22.3 times 22.5, right? You get your answer, 67.5 minus 20, which is 47.5, right? This one is 70 plus 22.5, which gives us 92.5. These are our angles. Now, I hope we are together here, guys. I hope we are together here. Can I give you a question on this one, so that you try it out? I want to give you a question on this one. Do you want to try it out alone? All right, let me change my paper. Okay, need another paper. Right, here's our triangle. Right, you are given x plus 30. Here you are given 3x minus 40. Here you are given 4x plus 50. Okay, and the question comes, says A, find value of x. B, find value of the labeled angles. Right, let's calculate. Let's find the value of x. Let's find the value of x. Now it's what, 10:17. Let me give you 2 minutes. 10:19 we start. Guys, please make this a 6x, right? This is a 6x. 6x plus 50. Yes, like that, Nasha. So what's the value of x there, Nasha? Yes, Ace. That's the concept. What's the value of your x on Alerona? Right. 10:19. Let's Smiley. Thank you for the share. Thank you, Azania, for the share. Right. Let's find the value of x. Yes, you collect like terms. Remember, we are saying that exterior angles equal to two opposite interior angles. Right? This is just a shortcut. So now we are saying these are the two, right? X plus 30, put it in brackets, and then plus 3x minus 40, put it in brackets, is equal to 6x plus 50. Like this. Right? From there we are saying x plus 30 plus 3x minus 40 is equal to 6x plus 50. Like terms, you see, 4x. This is 30 minus 40 minus 10 is equal to 6x plus 50. X is negative 30. Let's see. So minus 4x minus 4x. Right? We are left with negative 10 is equal to 2x plus 50. 2x is equal to negative 60. Right? Divided by 2, divided by 2x is negative 30. Right. Yeah, that's your answer, but that's not practical. Let me give you a proper exam question. Where are you? Right, here you are. Let me give you this one. I'm copying from there, so be ready. Right, we have this one. The issue is the concept. You have the concept, the better. Now we have what? 6x. 6x is coming back. 6x minus 15, and then 3x, and then 2x plus 12. A, find the value of x. B, find the value of all labeled angles. Yo, Nasha, 6 minutes. I'll give you 3. Do it. 3-4 minutes. Let's do it. To find the value of x alone is 4 marks. This might be 3 marks. Let's calculate this. Alright, guys, are we winning? Are we winning? Shasha, you already have the answer. You have x. Find the value of other angles now. Find the value of the angles. Let's find the value of angles. Let's find B now. Let's do B. Let's do B. Let's do B. Right, I see you have answers now. Let's uh let's revise. Let's revise. Right. A. Find the value of what? Of x, right? Opposite interior angles are what? Are equal, right? To the opposite. Um, right. Opposite interior angles are equal to the opposite exterior angle. So now we are saying 6x minus 15. 6x minus 15 is equal to 3x plus 2x plus 12. Like this, right? So we have 6x minus 15 is equal to, this is 5x plus 12. All right. So we are going to say plus 15 plus 15. 6x is equal to 5x plus 27 minus 5 minus 5. And then the other side we are left with what? X is equal to 27. All right. So that is our answer, which you were correct, guys. Shasha, you are correct. Thank you, Nasha. Right. From there, we are now find the value of the labeled angles, which is this and this and this. So we have 6x minus 15, right? 6x minus 15. Shasha is saying 147. Let's see. X is 27, right? So 27 times 6 minus 15, 147. Thank you. Right? The next one is what? 3x. So we have 3 brackets, 27 minus 15. Right? 27 by 3 minus 15, 66. Right? From there, 2x plus what? 12. 2x plus 12. 2 brackets 27 plus 12, which is 27 by 2 plus 12, which gives us 66. So this means 27 by 2, 54 plus 12, 66. So it's 2x, this is 66. 20, no man, this one you don't subtract 15. Abo, why, what am I doing here? So it's because this is what? 3x alone. There's no minus 15 there. So it's 3 times 27, which is 81, right? This is 81. 6x minus 15 is 147. So if you want to check if your answer is correct, right, you are going to say 81 plus 66. So 81 plus 66 must give you 147, whereby 1 plus 6 is 7, 8 plus 6 is 14, which is 147. Nashe, or you looked for this angle, whereby you said 180 minus 147, which gives you around 33. which is the reason is angles on a straight line, which is correct, which is very, very correct. This is what we are doing here. This question normally comes with 4 marks in the exam, so be ready for it. Be ready for it. Right. Next, I want to deal with let's deal with parallel lines. Parallel lines, guys. We're at 1.3. May we tap the screen? This guy is telling us we are not doing anything. We are not doing anything. Let's tap the screen, guys. Let's go to 2K. Let's go above 2K and then we move, because we want to deal with parallel lines. We want to deal with parallel lines. Okay. Two K is very small. Normally we go to 20K, 30. So we're just starting. We're just starting. Let's push, guys. 2K, we're almost there, and then we start. We need to be above 2K, because this guy is telling us where. As we learn, yeah, please, by all means. Right. Pokoyo, you are a problem, yeah. Hot girl, thank you. Abu T, welcome. Azania, thank you for tapping the screen, guys. Parallel lines, right? Parallel lines. We move. There is a line which cuts across parallel lines, joining parallel lines. This line, we call it a transverse. The moment you see a transverse and you see these guys, parallel lines, right? You must know that we are dealing with this guy here. All the other things we were dealing with, they also apply here, right? They also apply here. Strawberry, this is grade 8 and 9, especially this one we are doing this. Please pay attention. Grade 8 and grade 9 is the same thing. This is the same thing, right? This is the same thing. Even grade 8, they do this. They do this concept we had been doing. So please pay attention. Grade 8 and grade 9, the same. Abuti, thank you for the follow. Pokoyo, thank you for sharing, guys. Right. So the moment you see transverse, parallel lines, right, we think of fun. We think of being happy, right? So if you check F, U, N, these letters, they have parallel lines where F here, right, U here, N here, right? So the moment we are like this, what are we saying here? We are saying that this angle A, B are equal. Thank you for tapping the screen. Humble, thank you for liking. Stacy, welcome. TV, thank you. Right. So angle A and angle B, they are equal, right? Angle A is equal to angle B. These ones, we call them corresponding angles, right? So, why are we laughing? You're cash, right? From there, we go to U. F, U, U. We have this angle and this angle, right? U is different from this one. A and B. A plus B is equal to 180, right? These ones, we call these guys co-interior angles, right? Co-interior angles. From there, we go to this. So we have angle A and angle B. A is equal to B. These are alternate angles. So literally, if you check AF angles are equal 180, they add up to 180. Thank you for the follow, Sky. A is equal to B. They are equal, right? They are equal. I hope we are together here. Right. 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 Area and perimeter. Yes, we are going there. Pokoi, we are going there. Look at this. So we want to finish geometry, which we are doing just now. Miss K, thank you for the follow. Sister, thank you for liking. Star, thank you. So geometry, let us finish geometry, and then we go to area, perimeter, volume, and surface area. All right. All right. So I want you to take note of these three things. I want you to take note of these three things. All right. Let's draw a question here. Okay, we already have this one. Right. Here, let's say we are given this angle, let's say is 45. Right? This is 45. So what we are going to do is very, very simple, guys. We are going to follow this. F-U-N. F-U-N. So you have F. Let's look for F. F, it doesn't mean always it must be F. It can be like this. It can be upside down. As long as there are two parallel lines and an F is coming out. Right? As long as the F is coming out. Right? So now, guys, So now what we are going to do there, we are going to go to the diagram, look for the F. We have to look for the F. Where is my, I need a pencil. Do I have a pencil here? I see only pens. Okay, no problem. Let me use the red pen. F is here. You see? It's facing this direction. Right? So this angle is equal to this angle using our F. So this is 45. So they will say angle A, 45 degrees. So angle A is equal to 45 degrees. Reason corresponding angles. Right? You see? That is our A. So in the beginning, we used vertically opposite and whatnot. We will use it later. Now I just want you to understand to apply this. U co-interior, so it must be a U, right? So it's this coming down and back. U doesn't mean it must be upside down always. It can be like this. It can be like this. You see? It can be like an N, like this. As long as the shape of the U is there, we are good to go. Right? So we come here, U is here, which means we are dealing with this angle and this angle. And remember, if it's a U, we are saying A plus B is equal to what? 180, which is co-interior angles. So here we are going to come and say angle B is equal to 45 plus X is equal to 180. Reason co-interior angles. So this is co-interior angles. To get X is equal to 180 minus 45. X is equal to 135. That means our B, that's our X, is 135. Oh, it was supposed to be B, not X. It was supposed to be B. I'm just used to use X, not X. It's supposed to be B. Let me change it so that you don't get confused. It's like this. So B is what? Oh, B is 135, guys. I hope we are together here. All right. Now, we haven't done this guy, N, right? Z, fun N. So it doesn't mean it will always be like this. It can be like this. It can be like this. As long as you can see that there is an N, whether it's upside down or not. You see? So you come here, you check. Here it is. It's a Z, right? So an N or a Z, the same. So this is 45, which means, let's say angle C is 45 also. Why? Alternate angles. So you come here, angle C, 45 degrees. Reason, alternate angles. That's it. Like this. That's our C. So as you can see here, you can see that A and C are the same. 45, 45. Right? So instead of saying, alternate angles. You can even say vertically opposite angles, because this C is vertically opposite to A. You remember the vertically opposite angles we did in the beginning. Where are you? Vertically opposite? Here. Vertically opposite angles, A, C, right? Which is the same with this, A, C, which is the same with this. So this means that even this angle is vertically opposite to B. So you can come and say D is equal to 135. You come, you write it down. D equal to 135. Why 135? Vertically opposite. That is our answer, right? We continue. Here, we can use the U to get this angle, angle E. We can use a U from here, right? We can even use a straight line. You see, this is a straight line. So you can come here and say angle E is equal to 180 minus 45, which is equal to 135. Reason angles on straight line. 45 plus E must give us what? 180 degrees. I hope we are together there. All right. Remember, we once talked of vertically opposite, F. F is how many degrees, guys? F is how many degrees? And what is the reason for F? Somebody tell us how many degrees is F? How many degrees is F, guys? Somebody help us. What is F? F is how many degrees? Reason is vertically opposite. Okay. And it's how many degrees? FF is 45 degrees. Thank you. Thank you. Right. I see Sister Abigail asked a question. What are complementary angles? Someone help us. What are complementary angles? Complementary angles. Somebody help us. Angles. Angles that add up to what? 180. How about supplementary? Supplementary, tell us. Well, how about supplementary? Now, what's the difference between supplementary and complementary? Because we are seeing miracles here. Fokoyo angles, which ones? Which ones add up to 90? Supplementary or complementary? Grade 8 and 9. Grade 8 and 9, Kutsu. Supplementary 90. How about complementary? How about complementary? No problem, no problem. Supplementary add up to 180. Thank you. So remember that supplementary is half of complementary, right? Supplementary is half of complementary. That one you must, that's a law also, which is very, very important. But angles on a straight line, we talked about it earlier. So we are saying, yeah, you see, angles on a straight line, right? These are complementary angles, all right? Angles on a straight line like this, 180, all right? That's complementary. If it's giving us 90 degrees, 90 degrees, like this, A, B, you see? If it's giving us 90 degrees, A plus B is equal to 90, that's supplementary. I hope we are okay on this one. Oh, 90. Thanks, Azania. You are paying attention. Huh? You're paying attention. Right. Let's go back to our laws. Let's go back to our laws. Where there is the paper. This one is a different paper. Right. We're talking about fun. This guy, right? So we said F is 45 because vertically opposite, right? Vertically opposite to this, right? And then we say the E is 135. Why? Because it's on a straight line. So E is 135. What is G? How many degrees is G, guys? How many degrees is G? What's the reason? What's the reason, Pocoyo? The F thing, what is that F thing? What do you call that F thing? Mariana, thank you for joining. Oh, the F thing is here. What is it called? Please check here and tell me what is the F thing. F is alternate. Pocoyo, right? Straight. The doors on the left. Corresponding angles. Right. Perfect. Thank you. Now we want to go to what do you call it? A deeper something whereby it's a little bit complicated, but it's still the same. It's still the same. Right. Let's say you are given what? This concept. What should I talk of? Alright, no problem, Kuto, no problem. You are given parallel lines like this, right? And then you are told that this angle is equal to 3x minus 20. And then you are told that this one is 2x plus 30. And then the question comes saying that find value of x. The first thing here is to check the relationship between this guy and this guy, right? What is the relationship between these two angles, guys? Somebody tell us what is the relationship between these two angles? What is the relationship between these two angles? Are they corresponding? Are they what? Alternate angles. Right. If they are alternate angles, that means that this angle is equal to this angle. Right? If this angle is equal to this angle, we are going to say 3x, right, minus 20 is equal to 2x plus 30. Alright? Because they are alternate angles, remember they are equal angles. So that means the two equations are equal. When we have created the two equations, we solve it. Now the next step is to solve. Alright? We want to solve for what? For x. So we're going to say plus 20 plus 20, which means 3x is equal to 2x plus 50. We want to remove x this side, minus 2x minus 2x. X is equal to 50. Like this. X is equal to what? 50. This is how you solve a question like this. Alright? So, when you get your 50, if you want to find the value of each angle, you're going to say 3 bracket 50 bracket minus 20, which is 150, 150 minus 20, 130. Right? 2x plus 30, which means 2 bracket 50 plus 30, which is 130. Like this. I hope we are together here. I hope we are together. Right. Right. Let's do another example whereby this is given a different way. You are given two parallel lines like this, and then you are told that this is what? This is 3x, and the other one is what? This is 60. 3x. And then they say find value of x. The other one is 60. And then the other one is what? 3x. Are we calculating this question, guys? Are we calculating this question? All right. The 60 is on the right place. All right, look at this. Let me show you. All right, the 60 is here, right? Which means this angle, this is a straight line, which means this is 140. 120. You said 180 minus 60 to get 120. Remember, angles on a straight line. So this angle is what? 120, right? The moment you have the 120 for this place, you are now saying these are corresponding angles, right? So if these are corresponding angles, this means 3x is equal to 120 divided by 3 divided by 3. X is equal to 40. Thank you very much, Mickey. Mike, thank you. Exclamation. Kelani, thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. All right, guys, let's tap the screen. Let's tap the screen. Okay, it's coming another one. Let's tap the screen, guys. Let's reach 5K. Let's reach 5K. Let's reach 5K. I'm preparing. This one, find value of x. Find value of x. Amashle, thanks for the follow. Ready, thanks for joining. Let's answer the example, guys. Savage, welcome. Milky Moon, welcome. User 5336, welcome. Tigo, welcome. Right, are we winning the example, guys? Shasha? X is equal to 20. What is the relationship? How did you get the 20? Please let me know. What was the reason? What was the concept which you used? Remember, these two are parallel. What is the concept which you used there? Shasha KB, which concept did you use? Are they corresponding, alternate? What? How did you get? Right. Look at this way, girl. Look at this way. We had what? Okay. Look at this way. We have parallel line. This angle and this angle are creating a U, which is co-interior. Which means they are what? Co-interior. Co-interior angles, what do they do? We were talking about them here. Co-interior angles gives us what? 180 degrees, right? So what do? We come to our question and we say 2x plus x. X isn't. Why are you saying alternate angles? This the z is like this. It's like this. No, it's not 60 divided by 3. Which concept between these three did you use? Fun. Alternate angles. We checked here and we can see that the what did you say? The Z is not working. Why? Because the N must be like this. So we are using co-interior. If you see that alternate angle is not working, it's not working. Alternate angle is working here on angle E here. You see perfectly. It will come out perfectly. So which means E is 60 alternate angles, right? So here we are saying this is giving a U, right? So 2x plus x plus 60. These are two angles, but they are creating one big angle, which is 2x plus 60 is equal to what? 180. Co-interior angles. That's the reason. Right? So you have 2x and x, which is 3x, plus 60 is equal to 180. Whereby remove the 60, remove the 60. 3x is equal to 120 divided by 3, divided by 3, x 40, like this. E is equal to E is equal to F, E is equal to 60, so which means F is equal to 60 also, vertically opposite. Perfect. You see? You see? So here, our main point was to look for what? X is 40. Here, which means 2 times 40, 80. And this angle is what? 40, which is x. Alright? How many degrees is A, guys? How many degrees is A? A. How many degrees is A? How many degrees is A? A is 80. What's the reason, Sister Abigail? What's the reason? Angles on a straight line. Perfect. Angles on a straight line. Right? That's why our A is what? 80. Perfect. Any other angle? Any other angle, guys? Any other missing angle? Please tell us. Please tell us any missing angle. How many degrees is it? Pumi, welcome. Welcome, guys. Please let's continue tapping the screen. A is equal to what? 80. Yes, A is 80 angles on a straight line. That is true. That is true. Perfect. Another angle. G is equal to 120. What is the reason? We want the reason, please. Sister Abigail, what is the reason? What is the reason? Angles on a straight line. Thank you. Angles on a straight line. So G is equal to 120. How about D is 120, vertically opposite. Thank you. Other missing angles. Other missing angles. Other missing angles, Rafaelwe, thank you for joining. Other missing angles, we have C and B missing here. C and B. C is 60, vertically opposite. Is that correct? Yes, it's vertically opposite 60. Okay. Vertically opposite. C is what? C is 100. B is not 80, guys. Grade 8 and grade 9, Pepper Fury. KB comes and say B is 120. Why is B 120, guys? Why is B 120 KB 11? Please tell us, why is B 120? Please tell us. B is 120 angles on a straight line. Perfect. All right. I saw someone wanted to say vertically opposite. If you want to create vertically opposite, right? Start from the lines which are creating angle B. You see these two lines creating angle B, this side and this side. You start from there going straight. It will show you that, okay, my angle is starting on this line, and then start on the other line, follow it. You see, it's showing you that, okay, my angle is ending here, so it's starting here, going around and here, which means both these angles are vertical, combined they are going to give us B. So 80 plus 40, which is 120. You see. So B is 120. We are done. We are done. Somebody tell me. Let's say here you are given angle W. What is, how many degrees is this angle, please? Somebody tell me how many degrees is this angle W. Somebody tell me how many degrees is this angle W. Angle W is not 360, guys. Angle W is not 360. No, it's not 180. Why 120? No, it's not 120. It's not 80. Right. Is it a revolution? Yes. W is part of a revolution, guys. It is part of a revolution. You can see it alone. It's starting here and it's ending on this line. You see? It's not 360. 280. How did you get 280, Strawberry? Please put your answer with your reason. We want the reason here. You put your answer, you put your reason. Alright, guys. Strawberry 360. Right. This is a revolution. Remember, it's like this, and this is 80. So this combined to this 80 must give you from here right round back to here must give you 360, right? But this angle is part. This angle is what? Is part. So we are saying 360 minus 80 giving us 2 what? 280 degrees. Yes, you are all right. You are right. You are correct, Strawberry. You are correct. You are very, very correct. I'm telling you. You are very, very correct. Guys, let's tap the screen. These guys are complaining with me saying, when Roderick, what are you doing there? There is no activity here. All right. Please tap the screen. Hi, guys. By now, we should be by 10K. Mus. Hebo, we are at 6.2. We are at 6.2. 6K. We're supposed to be at 8, at 10. Somewhere there. Right. Let me open this question paper. This question. This question, guys, I hope you remember it very well. Lucy, thank you for the follow. KB1, thank you. Let's find the value of x, guys. Remember, a quad's total is 360. Quad's total is 360 degrees. So let's calculate the value of what? Let's calculate. Abigail sings, how did you get the 35? Please show us a little bit of how you did it. $350 divided by 10. Okay, let's do this. So we are saying 4x plus x plus 2x plus 10 plus 3x, right, gives us what? 360, right? Because it's a what? It's a quadrilateral, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 10x. 10x is equal to 360 minus 10. 10x is equal to 350 divided by 10 divided by 10. X is equal to 35. That is correct, KB. Perfect. That is correct. All right, guys. I think on geometry we are done. I think on geometry we are done. We are going to come back later and deal with what? What was this? We did geometry. So we are going to start here at area, perimeter, volume, surface area, and then similarity, right? So let's rest a little bit, and then we'll come during the afternoon. I'll let you know. I'll update you in my group, guys. I'll update you in my group, grade 8 and 9 WhatsApp group. Let me, where is this? Let me show you. These kids of mine, problems. Grade 8 and 9. You see this one? I give them some work to do, and then some questions here and there, and then we have been working. So if you want to join the group, send a message, ne? is the extra. Please send a message. Send a message to that number. What I will do, I will add you into that group. It's for free. It's free it's free. Right now I have time. But I'll tutor you here on TikTok. I'll update you with the times and everything here on my group. So guys, I'll see you. I'll update you. Peace. Have a wonderful day, ne? Have a wonderful day. Strawberry, bye bye. One day you will say someone Roderick. Who is not Roderick? Because I don't tutor alone here. We are a lot. No problem. No problem. Peace, guys. Thank you very much for participating. Ne? Thank you very much for participating. I saw Met Library. Thank you very much also for participating. Thank you.